Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. We are looking at Palantir. Let's have a look at the chart. Remember, anything I say during this video is not financial advice. Please do not follow or do anything based on what I say in this video. Nothing I say is financial advice. It's my thoughts and opinions only for educational and entertainment purposes. So Palantir is absolutely gone wild. It's actually gone to the moon. You can see just from this chart, if you go onto a weekly time frame, it is just going up, and just as you would say, if you're looking at it the other way around, you would say don't catch a falling knife. Don't try to catch a falling knife. And what that would mean on the way up is you can't time the top. It's very hard to time the top. This might continue going up.
Media Digitization Solutions donated £2 through a super chat.
This is made during a live show, so I apologize for that, but thank you very much, Media Digital Solutions, for your request. So yeah, just like if it was going the other way around, trying to catch a falling knife, it's never recommended trying to catch a falling knife. It's what I like to do is ladder into any position, whether that's buying or selling. And right now it looks like Palantir, you can't time the top. You'd be looking at laddering out. To me, Palantir is not looking like a buy, just because the entries we were looking at with Palantir were around $10 to $20. We saw the original accumulation around $7 to $10, but we don't really want to look back any further. We want to look in the future, and what level we were looking at is high to low. Firstly, it was a 786 at $36. Then you're looking at your highs, so laddering out $37, $45. Again, that looks silly now. However, when you're buying at $10 to $15, it is still a 200 to 300% move, a 3 and 4x, so it's still very good position. And your last target, or your main target you're looking at, was the $70 region. The one after, which we sometimes look at in the crypto markets, rarely do we look at it in the stock market, is the 2618. So the 1618, the main level of resistance was $70. The main level to sort of exit a position, in my opinion, when I was buying, would be $70. And the last level was $110. So for me, Palantir is definitely not a buy. Again, it's not financial advice, but for me, it's overextended. You can get better entries. I wouldn't be buying Palantir right now. If I wanted to buy, I would wait for the bull market support band and the horizontal resistance to create they're both saying the same thing. The horizontal support and the bull market support are coinciding, making the thesis even stronger that a $70 Palantir, if you really want to get back into it, is the level to be looking at it, because there's two indicators suggesting there is a strong level of support. That would be around the $70 mark. I would not be buying at this level. We are at the last point of support, profit taking for people who have been in since the highs to the lows. The main profit taking would have been at $70. The next profit taking would have been $110. So a lot of people will be exiting their positions now, so be careful. This can come all the way back down. It can come back down to $70. It can even come back down to $44. Those are the areas I'll be looking at for Palantir: $70 and $44 if a reversal was going to come. But again, you can't bet against something like this, just like you won't buy a falling knife. You can't predict whether it's going to top. You can only try and take good profits at sensible levels that are right for you, and also coincide with trading levels. And for me, that would have been taking profits at $45, $70, and finally $110, which is where we are currently. Last level of resistance, the last level of profit taking. So I would expect Palantir to reverse in the near future. And especially in the next recession, you will see Palantir fall all the way back down to $45, in my opinion. If you did enjoy the video, please consider buying some merch. Have a look at our Palantir playlist. Leave a comment down below. Do you agree with me? Do you think Palantir's, because of its earnings, it's going to continue moving up to the upside, or do you agree that it might start selling off? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.